Caroline's fixing to leave us. We won't see her for a year.
But that's too much.
I'm Caroline. 3 months ago, I packed my bags, said see you later to my friends and family, and moved to Australia, where I'm currently living and working for the next year.
Stop. Are you actually doing that for hundreds of years?
Hundreds of days. It's only 1 year.
See you in a year, my darling.
Have a good trip. See you in a year.
Better get to licking. Bye. See you later. Oh, I love you so much. I'm not crying till tomorrow.
I don't want you to leave.
Okay, bye.
We had so much memories.
And once you go,
I don't want you to.
Don't worry. You'll be calling me in like 2 months crying and I'll be there to pick up the phone.
it's true.
On the pieces.
That's how it always happens.
See you, Caroline. Be safe.
Oh,
let us
that's
know
gonna
when
make
you
me
get
cry. You said your name.
Care, I can't believe you're leaving. We have been talking about this for like 2 years or something like that, and it has finally come. You are going to Australia, and I just can't believe it. I am so sad that I was not able to see you before you left, but I'm so excited for you and for these new adventures that are before you.
Hey, bye.
Goodbye, cat.
Hey, Mike. So I've made it to the airport. I'm so tired. I still have an hour and a half until my flight. I'm super stoked about Australia, but first, Hawaii. Finally made it to Hawaii. I'll be staying here for 3 days before I go to Australia for a year, and I am so excited, but I am so exhausted. I have been traveling all day. I had a 5-hour flight to LA from Atlanta, and then a 6-hour flight from LA to Honolulu, and the time change is insane. Okay, so for those of you that are wondering what the heck a hostel is, here is a little preview of one. I booked a 4-bed FEMA-only dorm room at Waikiki Beach Boutique Hostel. It costs $41 a night, which is extremely expensive, but that's Hawaii for you. Honolulu only had about 4 hostels to choose from, but this one seemed to have the best ratings. I just can't believe I get to say that I'm in Hawaii. Okay, so it's currently 7 in the morning, and I thought I would just sit on the beach and eat my acai bowl, and then go hiking to Diamond Head. have to make it up all the way over there. So I think I'm directionally challenged. On my 1 hour walk to Diamond Head, I met some new friends along the way. If you enter on foot like I did, it costs $1 to get in or $5 per car. Diamond Head is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Honolulu. But if you didn't know, it was a U.S. military base in the early 1900s. But since 1962, it has been a state monument and sees thousands of tourists each year. That's a big wave! Oh my god, no! Welcome to day 2. I was lucky enough to meet 2 new friends from West Virginia. Meet Kat and Gina. We rented a car and spent most of the day snorkeling and getting wiped out by waves at Electric Beach, and later enjoyed our first and only Hawaiian sunset. Let's get it. So it's sadly my last night in Honolulu, but I'm going to luau and I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Steel guitar playing underneath the tropic star. Oh, those who love blues. Tell me, have you ever had the hula blues? Can't imagine what you're feeling so blue now. Hey,
just stuffed so much crap in my pockets because Jetstar is ridiculously strict. Filming in public is weird. If I want to be a YouTuber, I gotta get used to this. Ow. This is not very comfortable on my feet.